The U.S. Air Force has officially awarded Boeing the contract for its next-generation air dominance, NGAD, fighter, now designated as the F-47. This advanced sixth-generation jet is designed to replace the F-22 Raptor and ensure U.S. air superiority in future conflicts. The F-47 will feature cutting-edge stealth, enhanced sensors, and AI-assisted drone wingmen to counter emerging threats. This contract, worth $20 billion, is a major win for Boeing and a pivotal moment for military aviation. Experts predict the first flight could happen by late 2025. What do you think will the F-47 dominate the skies? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more updates.